Hello everyone, it's Root Model Cecilia and welcome to the October Mini Pretty Club box. So I have my box in here. Let me remind you what you get in the box. You get one full-size product, 4 makeup samples, and then 1 trial skin, hair, or body care product. So I'm going to start with the trial product. This is the Antioxidant Boost Pomegranate and Vitamin C Radiance Serum. And now onto the makeup samples. The first makeup sample is Eileen. This is an emerald green with light gold tones. And we have Courtney. Courtney is a dark shimmering gray. It's an eyeshadow and also an eyeliner. Next, I chose Sam. This is a blush, a deep peach shade. And the last makeup sample is October. October is a dark coppery perfect blush shade. And the last thing in the box is the full-size product. That's Cecilia Glossing Lip Serum. Yes, it's named after me, and I even helped create the shade, which is a light burnt orange. So that's what's included in the box that you get in the mail. So for the add-on products, you had an option of 2 makeup products, a skincare product, and another miscellaneous product that I chose. And I'm gonna start with the makeup products that I chose for the add-on option. That's April. I think it'll go really well with any of these shades. It's actually my birthday month. That's another reason why I chose it. The next add-on option is Catherine Cream Illuminator. For the skincare option, I chose the Antioxidant Boost Pomegranate and Cranberry Aging Moisturizer. And for the last, I chose Moisture Whip Deep Conditioning Body Cream. We need some extra moisture on our hands. Next, I have a tutorial for you on how to create this look, and that starts right now. Rose Otto and Helichrysum Restoring Face Mist. I'm going to use this to prep my skin. Next, I'm going to use a product that's actually in the box. This is our Antioxidant Boost Pomegranate and Vitamin C Radiance Serum. It has anti-aging properties, and it also makes your skin feel nice and supple and plump. Now I'm going to move on to a product that's actually one of the add-ons that I chose. This is actually from the same line. This is Antioxidant Boost Pomegranate and Cranberry Anti-Aging Moisturizer. And I chose it because why not have the pair? Get the ultimate results using both of them. For my base today, or foundation, I'm actually only using my Prime and Conceal Cream Corrector pans. I'm using Knockout. This is to cover up any darkness under the eye, and also golden. So I'm going to use our number 33 Buffy blending brush. So I'm going to take some of that Knockout and start applying it to my under eye. And now with golden, I'm going to apply this just where I want more brightness. Now for my brows, I'm using Deep Brown Brow Pomade and a repurposed 100% Lash Mascara wand. And now let's get started with the eyeshadow. So in the box, there are 4 makeup samples. I chose 3 eyeshadows and 1 blush. The first one I'm using is Sam. And I'm gonna grab my number 14 Fluffy Flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this on my crease. So Sam is a pressed blush and it's a deep peach color. The second makeup sample is Eileen. Eileen is an emerald green with light gold tones. I'm going to apply Eileen wet. So I'm going to take my Pretty Mist and apply it to the outer corner. And now onto the third makeup sample. This is October. Of course, I was gonna include it in this box. And October is a coppery peach gold tone eyeshadow. And the same thing, I'm gonna apply it wet with this brush. For the last makeup sample, I chose Courtney. Courtney is a dark shimmery gray eyeshadow and liner, which is how I'm going to be using today. This is our number 8 angled eyeliner and brow brush. I prefer to tightline. Now for blush, I'm gonna take our number 11 cheeky brush and then Sam. And now with another add-on product that I chose for you, this is Catherine. I'm gonna take our super matte setting silk and then our number 27 precision powder brush. And the last step is the lips, and for that I have for you Cecilia Glossing Lip Serum. It's a light burnt orange, and my inspiration for this shade was actually a brick house. Another perfect fall color. And this is Cecilia. Thanks for watching.